Shamia mo ke ata visipora vesheni mi ava kompora kosive samoni. Ike shepe sopora vesane ki e teva sapa. Good day, great love, and good light, illuminators and way showers. Thank you for this now moment. As I share with you from the very beginning, an idea, a download begins, as a painting begins, before it even materializes. I begin blessing it immediately. As soon as I unwrap the canvas, as soon as I begin priming it, getting it ready, as the information flows through, La Via Tovia Shamoyo Piana, it's as if the blessings begin to pour through and are embedded in the canvas. And along with my excitement, my joy, our guides, our galactic families, everybody who's joining in. So I just wanted to once again take this moment to share with you my joy, my excitement, as my journey takes me in all new different directions in how we translate and transmit and share this language of love, this higher vibrational resonance as we share more and more of all that we are with each other, walking in our own wisdom, walking in our love and our own light, and sharing it with the world in every way that we can. We invite and inspire others. So this is my invitation and inspiration to all of you to pour everything into everything that you're doing. It matters. It crystallizes it here in the physical. And as I connect with the shamanic councils and reach out and reach in and bring forth whatever comes through, they are a part of this from the very, very beginning. So I thank you once again for embracing this now moment with me. Nevesimora veshenel kwapa shanato kojavania baya. Se vasono pakianto vishamoto vishamokura vishamotovia. Zevasoma iava matia. Nesimuthi vishamotovia moroko behebo. Kativa samanavasana. You are a masterpiece. Always changing your colors. Always evolving. But you are always a perfect masterpiece. And you are loved beyond measure, beyond light, beyond time.